Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by assessing what went wrong so you can choose the right fix. If the batter is runny, it lacks structure. If grainy or separated, fats and liquids failed to combine. Once you know the issue, add a single egg for structure or 2 tablespoons flour and 1 tablespoon cocoa to thicken and rebalance flavor. Make sure the bowl is only slightly warm to help emulsify. This prevents further separation and gets you ready to proceed. Now you recombine and fine-tune texture and taste. You should whisk gently for 30 to 60 seconds. Vigorous mixing adds gluten and makes cake tough. If the cake seems dry, add 1 tablespoon oil or melted butter to restore tenderness. If too wet, fold in 1 to 2 tablespoon flour gradually until desired thickness. Once done, taste for balance and add 1 teaspoon sugar or a pinch of salt to lift chocolate flavor, then stop mixing to keep crumb light. You finish by baking and handling the cake correctly to preserve texture. Bake at 160 degrees 170 degrees and start checking at 20 to 25 minutes with a toothpick. Remove when it has moist crumbs, not wet batter. Make sure to cool in the pan for 10 minutes so structure sets, then invert onto a rack to cool fully. If the cake still sinks or is gummy, don't discard it. Repurpose into a trifle, crumble for brownies, or slice and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.